Today we're going to find the center, radius, area, and circumference of a circle in both the standard form and general form. First, let's recall the standard form of a circle, and that is x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. And r is the radius, hk is our center. The general form is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0, where d, e, and f are constants. Given the general form, we need to transform it first into the standard form so that we can easily find the center and the radius. Let's have example number 1. X minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared is equal to 16. Find the center, radius, area, and circumference of this circle. The given problem is in the standard form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Therefore, we can easily identify the h. H here is positive 3, not negative 3. Your k here is negative 2, not positive 2. Be careful because the common error here is the signs for the h and k. If you have x minus 3, your h is positive 3. You have y plus 2, your k is negative 2. It's the opposite sign. So the center of this circle is 3, negative 2 because center is your h, k value. Now 16 is your r squared. So solving for the radius, we need to get the square root of 16, and the radius here is 4. To calculate for the area is equal to pi r squared. And our r squared is 16, so pi times 16 is 16 pi. So the area is 16 pi units square. The formula for circumference is pi times the diameter. In this problem, if radius is 4, diameter is twice the radius, so diameter is 8. So the circumference is pi times 8, and that is 8 pi units. Question number 2. X squared plus y minus 1 squared is equal to 4. This equation is also in the standard form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. What do you think is the h value here? The h value here is 0. Because x minus 0 is the same thing as x. Square it, we have x squared. Our k value is positive 1, not negative 1. So the center of this circle is 0, 1. R squared is equal to 4, so the square root of 4 is 2, and that is our radius. The formula for the area is pi r squared, so we have pi times r squared is 4, so the area is 4 pi units square. Circumference can be solved by using pi times diameter, and since radius is 2, diameter is twice the radius, and that is 4. Therefore, the circumference here is 4 pi units. Area is in units square, and circumference is in units. Question number 3. X squared plus y squared plus 14x minus 12y plus 4 is equal to 0. For question number 3, we need to transform this first into standard form. So first step is to group x squared and 14x. I will leave a space. And we group y squared minus 12y. And transfer 4 to the right. That becomes now negative 4. To complete the square, we need to get half of 14. Divide by 2, that's 7. Square 7, that gives us 49. So we also need to add 49 to the right. For the second group, we divide negative 12 by 2, that's negative 6. Square negative 6, that's 36. So we add 36 to both sides. Factoring each perfect square trinomial, x squared plus 14x plus 49 can be factored out as x plus 7 square, because 7 square is 49, and if you multiply 7 and x and you double it, you will get 14x. Plus, the second perfect square trinomial can be factored out as y minus 6 to the second power. Negative 6 squared is positive 36. Negative 6 times y and double is negative 12y. Is equal to negative 4 plus 49 is 45 plus 36, we have 81. So now we have the standard form. What do you think is the h value? H value is negative 7. Again, not positive 7. Your k is positive 6, not negative 6. So the center is negative 7, 6. R squared is equal to 81. So the radius is the square root of 81, which is 9. For the area, we need to multiply pi by r squared, which is pi times 81. So the area is 81 pi units square. Circumference is pi times diameter. So if radius is 9, diameter is twice the 9, and that is 18. So circumference is pi times 18, or that is 18 pi units. Now it's your turn to find the center, radius, area, and circumference of the given circle. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. Question number 4 is in the standard form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So our h value is negative 5, k is negative 7, and therefore the center is negative 5, negative 7. 36 is the value of r squared. So you get the square root. The square root of 36 is 6, and that is our radius. Area is pi times r squared, so we multiply pi times 36, and that is 36 pi. So the area is 36 pi units square. Circumference is pi times diameter. Radius is 6, therefore diameter is double that, 6, and that gives us 12. So circumference is pi times 12, or that is 12 pi units. Question 5 is also in the standard form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. What is your h value? Negative 5. Your k value? Positive 10. So the center is negative 5, positive 10. 9 is the value of r squared. So getting the square root, the radius is 3. Area can be solved using pi r squared, and r squared is 9. So pi times 9, we have 9 pi units square. Circumference is pi times diameter, and radius is 3, so diameter is twice the radius, so 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore, circumference is 6 pi units. Question number 6 is in general form, so we need to rewrite it first in standard form. So we will transfer all the terms with the variable on the left and the constant on the right side. I will write down first x squared plus 24x. Negative x squared becomes positive x squared. Negative 24x becomes positive 24x. Now we transfer negative y squared, and that turns to positive y squared. 6y remains the same because it's still on the left side. and 137 becomes negative 137. Now we need to create two groups. The first group is x squared plus 24x. I will leave a space. The second group, y squared plus 6y, leave a space, is equal to negative 137. And now we need to do completing the square. Half of 24 is 12. Square 12, that's 144. So we also need to add 144 to the right. Half of 6 is 3. Square 3, that's 9. So we need to add 9 to both left and right as well to maintain equality. Now we need to factor the perfect square trinomials. The first group is the same thing as x plus 12 square. 12 square is 144. You double 12 is 24. The second perfect square trinomial can be factored out as y plus 3 to the second power. 3 square is 9. 3 times y is 3y, and double it, you will get the 6y. Simplifying the right side, negative 137 plus 144 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. So now we can identify the h and k value. Our h is negative 12. Our k is negative 3. So the center is negative 12, negative 3. 16 is our r square. So get the square root. Radius is the square root of 16, which is 4. Area is pi times r square, which is pi times 16. So we have 16 pi units square. Circumference is pi times diameter, and radius is 4, therefore diameter is double that 4, that gives us 8. So circumference is pi times 8, or this is 8 pi units. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.